Why do people need an investing strategy they truly believe in and consistently follow? Here are the key reasons. First, to stay free from emotions. The market always fluctuates. Fear and greed make most people take the wrong actions. But when you have a strategy you trust, you stay focused on your rules instead of being controlled by emotions. Second, it creates stability. Random trades based on momentary feelings never produce consistent long-term profits. A systematic strategy, however, allows you to generate repeatable results year after year. Third, you become confident in your decisions. When you fully trust your strategy, you always know your next step, whether the market is falling or rising. This reduces fear, hesitation, and doubt. Fourth, it positively impacts your quality of life. If you consistently follow one strategy and start seeing results, your confidence deepens. And that confidence allows you to relax and focus on other important parts of your life. I sincerely believe and hope that one day the EnDo Strategy will also become your trusted investing strategy. Thank you for watching. Please support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like.